Next is subtraction stories. That means a statement is given here and from this statement we will solve it. Okay. So read the question. In an international school, in such questions you have to read the question many times. In an international school, there are 315 boys and 413 girls. Anyway, it is a mixed school. There is boys and girls. So, this boys and girls together forms the total number of students in the school, isn't it? Suppose in a class there are 10 girls and 5 boys. So total number of students in the class is 10 plus 5, 15. In the same way, in an international school, total number of boys is 315 and total number of girls is 413. Okay, so let us write the steps first, each step. So there are boys, number of boys is 315. So we can write number of boys is equal to 315. So what will be the next step? Number of girls. Equal to 430. Now, before reading the rest of the question, let us find the total number of students in that school. Okay, so total number of students. How can we find the total number of students? Yeah, we have to just add the number of boys and number of girls. So, 315 plus 413. That you have to draw column and you have to add it. So, now I am just adding it. While you are doing, you have to draw column and arrange these numbers according to place value in your working column. So, here the answer is 728. So the total number of students in that school, international school, is 728. Out of this, 635 are Indians. In this international school, 635 students are Indians. For example, if you buy 10 mangoes and I am saying among that 2 mangoes are ripe mangoes. So how many mangoes are remaining there? So total 10 minus this 2, 8 are remaining. In the same, total number of students is 728. In that 635 students are Indians and how many are from foreign countries? So this international school means students in that school, there are students from foreign countries and from India. So the students from India is 625, total number of students is 728 and we have to find the number of students from foreign countries. Here we have to just subtract 635 from 728. So how can we write the step? Number of students from foreign countries. Number of students from foreign countries. How we will find 728 minus 635. That you can draw column and you can subtract. I am just doing it here. 728 minus 635. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 3 is not possible. So borrow 1 from the nearer place. So it becomes 6 and this will become 12. 12 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the answer? 93. That means 93 students are from foreign countries. Okay. So our question was, in an international school, there are 315 boys and 413 girls. So we wrote the steps and we find the total number of students. How can we find the total number of students? Just add the number of boys and number of girls. So we got the total number of students as 728. Now, among that 635 are Indians, and we have to find the number of students from foreign country. For that, from total number of students, we subtracted the students from India. Okay, do you understood? Let us do one more question. Yes, students, when you are doing this calculation and this subtraction and all, you have to do in the working column. Now you can take your textbook, page number 109, exercise 3.5. Solve the subtraction stories. Question A. Out of 527 guas, 135 are raw. So total how many guas are there? 527. So we can write the step total number of guas. Total number of guas equal to 527. While you are doing this, you should take your textbook and see the question. 135 are raw. Among this, how many are raw? 135. So, number of raw equal to how many are raw? 135. Find the number of ripe guas. Now we have to find the number of ripe guas. Total this much are there. Among that 135 are raw, and we have to find the number of ripe guas. Number of ripe guas equal to, how can we find? Total, if you are having 10 mangoes, among that 6 are bad mangoes, and how many are remaining? 10 minus 6 is 4. So in the same way here, total 527 guas are there. Among that 135 raw, and how many ripe are there? So for that we have to subtract the number of raw guas from total number of guas. Okay, so 527 minus 135. So we can draw column and you can do the subtraction. First it is 527, then 135 we are going to subtract. So first starting from ones place, 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Now 2 minus 3, is it possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow 1 from the near place. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 9. Again 4 minus 1 is 3. So how many are ripe now? 392 guas are ripe. Okay.